In this video, I'll show you how to uninstall Minecraft from your Mac. First, if Minecraft is currently open, go ahead and quit it. Next, open up Finder and head over to the Applications folder. Here, locate the Minecraft app, right-click on it, and select Move to Trash. Just like that, you've successfully deleted the game. Now, if you have an app like App Cleaner installed on your machine, it'll automatically find and delete the extra configuration and cache files for a complete cleanup. If not, you can manually delete them by following these steps. Go ahead and copy each folder path I've linked down in the description, one by one. After that, open Finder, go to the Go menu at the top, and select Go to Folder, or just use the keyboard shortcut Shift-Command-G. Paste the path you just copied in there and hit Enter. Now look for the Minecraft folder, right-click it, and choose Move to Trash to delete it. Just do the exact same thing for the other two folders and you're all set. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.